Recently, a wonderful colleague referred some clients to me. She didn't know them very well. They had contacted her office, needed something right away. She asked if I could jump in, and I said, sure, I'm happy to talk to them. We have some vetting questions that we ask before we spend time on a 20-minute discovery call. And one of the questions is, what are your preferred pronouns? Now, of course, we ask this because we want to be polite and we always want to address people properly. It's also a vetting question. We're looking to see how that is answered. And the way that these people answered was, they provided their pronouns, but then they said, the reason that we're moving is we want to move to a school district that does not allow teachers to discuss pronoun preferences with elementary school children. I wrote back, and I provided them with a copy of last year's blog related to Pride and estate planning for the queer community. They wrote back, cancel the meeting. And I did, happily, because I have to protect my staff. We do not work with people who think that we are lesser. We do not work with misogynists. We do not work with racists. We do not work with people who are entrenched in their homophobia. We work with happy, proactive people who believe that love is love. My name is Patricia DeFonte, and I am the founder of Fonte Law, where we practice estate planning with heart. We work with clients all over California on Zoom. Learn more at estateplanningwithheart.com.